हाय फ्रेंड्स, सर्वेषां स्वागतम। टुडे अ सुभाषिता। सद्भिरेव सहासीत सद्भिः कुर्वीत संगतिं सद्भिर्विवादं मैत्रीं च नासद्भिः किंचिदाचरेत। सद्भिः with good people, सह आसीत to be, कुर्वीत should do, संगतिं friendship, विवादम quarrel, मैत्रीं friendship, न not, असद्भिः wicked people, किंचित anything, आचरेत to do. We should be with good people only. We should do friendship with good people. Do quarrel with good people. There also we can learn good behavior from them. We should not do anything with wicked people. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜನರೊಡನೆಯೇ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವರೊಡನೆಯೇ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆಯೇ ವಾದವಿವಾದ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ದುಷ್ಟ ಜನರೊಡನೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಾರದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.